Welcome to this quick guide on how to follow your favorite NBA team using the NBA app on your phone. Whether you're a new fan or just want to keep up with the latest updates, this video will help you personalize your app experience so you never miss a game or news about your team. First, open the NBA app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Next, at the top of the profile menu, you will see an option called My Teams. Click on that to view a list of all the NBA teams available in the app. Then, scroll through the list until you find your favorite team. You will see a follow button right next to the team name. Simply tap on follow to start receiving personalized content and recommendations related to that team. Finally, after you have followed your favorite team, you can enjoy tailored news, game highlights, and live updates directly in your NBA app feed. This makes it easy to stay connected and up to date with everything about your team throughout the season. Thanks for watching.